I'm here in a masterclass workshop with Brad Sugars and really excited about what I'm learning. One word I would use to describe it so far is transformational. It's really stretching the way I think about my business and my life, and I'm really excited to take some of the learnings back to my organization and really focus on replanning and setting better goals to move us forward in the future.
Here with Brad Sugars, an ActionCOACH who is the owner of ActionCOACH Franchise Systems. It has been fun learning the last 2 days on this webinar with Brad of self-reflection and business growth, and I can't wait to learn more over, the next few years.
I'm here with Brad Sugars in the mastermind class. The words I would use to describe this are life-changing. He goes over everything from your business to your life, and he's just changing it all the way around. I can't forward to keeping this going, the momentum going, and changing my business and my life. Thanks, Brad.
So I'm here at this workshop that is really transformational indeed. I can see how it's going to impact on my 360 degrees. I also see how it's going to help me to achieve my life goals and to help me to be the person that I want to be. This is good stuff, and I would encourage you guys to go deep. It's like taking be, do, and have to a deeper level, and not just in terms of achievements, but also in terms of fulfillment, both professionally as well as personally. Try it out.
So I'm here at the Brad Sugars Purpose Workshop, and boy, I'm really learning a lot right now. So this is all about really understanding the motivations that I have and the positive emotions and values that I want to expand upon, and the negative things that I want to get rid of. And so this has been super valuable over the past 2 days, really learning a lot, not just from how I should prioritize things in business, but my life as well. Really learning about not only, what are the positive things that I want to increase in my life, and how do I do that? So it's not just putting a list together, but putting a set of actions together, but also how I want to get rid of those negative things, those negative emotions, or those negative beliefs that I have, and again, a concrete plan to do that. So I'm only at the start of the journey, but this is a great way to kick things off.
Hey, I'm Chris Hare, and I'm here with a Brad Sugars doing a Purpose MasterClass. And if I had to choose one word to describe this, it would be enlightening. The whole point of this class is to learn what your purpose is, or maybe just refocus that. But I can say for me, it's just been enlightening. Learning about myself, things I didn't know, who I've been, and who I need to become in order to, achieve the things that I want out of life.